grandfather, come away. As the owner paid our bride price. Eh? Come away. Come.
What's going on? Don't.
This is the land I'm talking about.
All right. Tell Nnamani that I, Commander Bull, said he should stay clear of this land. I repeat, tell Nnamani that I, Commander Bull, said he should stay clear of this land.
Just like that?
Yes. He knows how powerful the name is. It's as simple as that.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Please, just accept this little thing as a token of my appreciation, sir. Greet your family.
Are you stupid? What's your business with my family? Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian.
Attention! Attention! What's my name? What's my name?
So the issue is that we are not going.
Commander Bush, shout, sir.
Adane, why didn't you greet the commander? Why? You saw him?
Commander who? No. Commander Onyebe. Why do you want me to greet him? Eh?
Commander Boo, of course.
So?
You don't know him in this community? You want to
him.
tell me that you are the only man who don't know him in this community?
Listen to me. I said I don't know Commander. Why do you want me to acknowledge him? Eh? No, that I should respect him. So, for what? Listen to me. Before Commander was born, I was already in the army. Is it because he's wearing uniform? Eh? I don't want you to... Don't say this to me again.
You are talking of before the World War. That's what you are saying. Remember, this boy is the first young man to become a soldier in this community.
So?
He deserves respect.
Listen to me.
That
is for people like you. People like you who are drunkards and after drinking, they have no more sense. No sense in the brain. Do you know I am a retired soldier? Do you know that? If not for the Civil War, by now I would have become a brigadier general. You have no respect for yourself. You want to respect that small boy. Continue to give him respect.
Because you should stop this.
My friend, move. Be careful, though. Will you shut up? Stop! Why is this parade ground dirty? I can see you all have lost your sense of reasoning. 2YC.
Commander, sir.
Explain the meaning of this insubordination.
Commander, sir. The duty of keeping parade ground neat was shared amongst your wives.
Correct yourself.
Sorry, sir. The duty was shared amongst the soldiers, and the person supposed to keep it neat is yet to do so.
It is bad enough that you all can't make babies. To crown it all, my parade ground is dirty. That's double offense. It's a big insult and a slap on my face to what I represent and what I stand for. I'm disappointed in you all. No commander walks into a dirty parade ground. My friend, stay one place. Come here. No commander walks into a dirty parade ground. I will punish you all for this. Now, shut up! No one talks when the commander is talking. Fall like a tree, fast! Good. Turn around, face off. Face up! Face up! Good. Bloody civilians. Bloody civilians. I'm coming for you all.
Why didn't you tell the commandant that it was at that custom to clean the compound? You just allowed us to suffer for nothing. Why? Why do you have to keep your mouth shut? Eh? I don't like it, oh. You know my name. I called your name. Nate. Allah was going to Am I your mate? Am I your mate too? Wait. Don't you know that I'm the first wife in this compound? And I should be excused from all the house chores? Because you don't have respect. Shut up! She spoke the truth. My name. Shut up! She spoke the truth. You're the one to be punished and not us. Because we're not nothing. Come on, shut up. I said shut up. Shut up. Are you my shut up? Shut up.
Commander, sir. They are making noise, sir.
So you have the guts to blab, eh? Oh yeah, everybody lie down. Fast! Lie down! Lie down! Face up! Face up! Make babies, no! Go for peacekeeping, no! All you do is waste my food. Useless bloody civilians. You will remain here till nightfall.
Breathe in.
Mama, you're welcome. We're under punishment.
Punish Kine.
Men.
Eh? Eh? Hey! Nobody has started again, no? He has started again. I mean, how can he be so wicked to ask you people to lie down on the ground facing this scorching sun. Alanaya, I want you people to stop obeying everything he says. Come on, get up from this place.
Mama, we can't stand up. The only person that can tell us to stand up now is the commandant or his 2IC.
2IC, what about it? Can only have 2 weeks.
His new wife for Begedi.
Oh. Didn't she know that you people were his favorites before he came? Oh no, Maro. Why would she tell him? Please get up from this place.
Mama, Biko, do not put us into trouble. Nobody disobeys the commandant's order. We cannot move from this place. It's like barracks. Unless we hear him say, at ease.
Until he says, at ease. Okay, fine. Up at ease. At ease!
Mama, at ease can only be called by the commandant or his 2IC, not you.
This is no bad. And that's our body today. Where are they? Eh? Where are they? They didn't even come because I said I'm not at least their money.
Indecent dressing is not allowed here. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
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 Good. Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? And soldiers are known for? Soldiers are known for? Soldiers are known for? Are you a bloody civilian?
No, sir.
Are you a bloody civilian?
No, sir.
Who is a civilian?
Cockroaches, sir.
Who are civilians?
Cockroaches, sir.
Who are civilians?
Cockroaches, sir.
Good. Good. I have looked at you all closely and I found out that you have been eating too much. Oh yes, you eat 3 times a day. That's why some of you are running out of shape. You have been wasting my food for no just cause. So I'm bringing it down to once a day. Is my point clear?
Yes, sir.
Is my point clear?
Yes, sir.
So you people will start training with full force. What did I say? Full force. What did I say?
Full force, sir.
What did I say?
Full force, sir.
Good. 2IC.
Yes, sir.
Continue with the parade.
Yes, sir.
See, you, look here. Just take it from the ground.
Okay, sir.
You carry your hand, go down.
Thank you, sir.
Anikwe.
What are you doing on my farmland? Have I not warned you to stay away from this land? Man.
You, please, you people should continue your work. He is a madman. Huh? Yes, he is a madman. When you are done with ranting, you will leave this place.
Oh, I'm ranting on my own land. And you call me a madman?
Yes. If you are not careful, I will tell these boys to carry you out from this place.
Huh? Me?
Yes.
Now you will see a madman in action. Hey, stop that.
Anikwe. Oh yeah? Look here.
Get him.
Carry him out.
I just said,
Carry him
out of this.
Carry him out of this place.
Huh?
He's talking of land. Land that you cannot even cultivate on a land.
Hey.
Carry him out.
Me.
Yeah, you.
No money.
Yes, you.
Me.
That you deserve this. Carry him out.
No money.
I will teach you a lesson you will never forget in your life. You. Land, you cannot cut, you cannot clear, you cannot farm on the land.
Will you shut up? Yeah, as your age grade or what? Listen and listen real good. My name is Commander Bull.
Commander Bulldog.
Better. How may I help you?
It's about the goat that I gave you yesterday. As a sign of my appreciation to you for agreeing to protect me and my farmland, I got to the farm today and met Namani and some laborers there.
Did you mention my name?
Yes, so I did. But he said to hell with you.
He said to hell with me?
Yes.
Good. All of us will dance in hell now. Are you mad?
Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. See them there. See them there. See them there. Yeah, sit there. Yes, I am back for you. I'm back.
They mentioned my name, and you say go to. Hey! If you run, you are dead. If you run, you are dead. You said I should go to hell. Commander Boo. They mentioned my name, Almighty Commander Bull, and you said I should go to hell.
He mentioned Captain Bull's name.
Come and lie down here. Like that, just be coming. Don't stand up, like that. Just be coming, fast. They mentioned my name. You said I should go to hell. Come here. You will visit that hell and tell me what it looks like. Lie down here.
Hey.
Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes just to save the kids? Where were you? It happened in Morovia. They mentioned my name and you said I should go to hell. Die. You, if you run. If you run.
Oh God. Johnson!
Muche, what was the smile all about? Eh?
I wish I would get lucky and have Commander Boo as a husband.
You want to have Commander Boo as a husband?
Excuse me? What is wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it, Amuche. Everything is wrong with it. Are you trying to tell me that you're not seeing the suffering the 5 wives are passing through in his hands?
They are not suffering, Biko. He's training them to become soldiers, yes!
What will he gain by turning his wife into soldiers? Biamuche, don't wish such husband for yourself.
All I know is that I am interested in him. Simple. You may not like him. That is your own business. As for me, I love such a brave man as a husband. And by the grace of God, I will marry him. Yes, sir!
I'm going to the street.
I love you! I wish you could hear me! I love you! I wish you could hear me! I love you! Baby! I love you! Hey!
What do you think you are doing?
I'm only obeying the commander's order.
Eh? He gave you an order to punish your co-wives, and you agreed. Eh? Akunfo. Nobody did that. You agreed to punish your co-wife for what? Yeah, see them at Luciano.
Authority! Mama, I don't like this. You are not obeying me as the 2YC of this barracks.
You don't like it, eh? Okay, like it, yeah? If you don't like it, go and hit your head on the ground. Hit your head on that wall. Please, are you out of your mind? Come on, get out of my face. The reason why my son married you, you have never done your job in this house. You have never given him what he's looking for, and you have the guts to punish your co-wives.
Mama, I will give my husband what he wants from me.
Till that time comes. But never you accept to punish your co-wives anymore. Don't! Stop! By the way, where is my son?
I don't know. I will report to him when he comes back.
Hey, Kaku, why don't you go now and report to him? Look at you. They call them. Anoman. I said all of you should get up from this place. Sit there by Manisiano. By the way, why would you allow that little brat, a little girl of yesterday, to punish people like you? Eh? What for? Why?
We are not obeying that already. That torture. We are only obeying our husband. Because you know how he behaves.
Obeying him and killing yourselves. Eh? What kind of stupid obedience is that?
Mama, you're acting as if you don't know your son. Who in this village will disobey him?
No problem. I will never allow him to punish you people again. Enough is enough. He is my son. I gave birth to him. I won't stop this nonsense. I'm not afraid.
Mama, after saying this, make sure you're around to protect us. Not after you go back to your house and we will still turn back to become soldiers again.
Enough is enough. I must stop this nonsense today. We'll have to go lie down. Your son did not ask us to stand up, but he will kill us if we don't. Better lie down.
Mama, we are not done with the punishment.
Ned! What are you people doing?
Lying down.
Eh? You are still lying down, even you.
Mama, you will not protect us when he comes, though. I'm lying down.
Hey!
I told you. Hi. I'm going to chop my money today.
You go to give me.
My 10K. If I don't,
give me your.
No, wait.
Give me now.
I'm not giving you. It's not my phone.
I'm you.
Okay, do you want to?
Remember when I give you my own phone? You don't reach your phone, you don't use your phone to do that.
In military service to our nation. Commander Budo.
Stop there. Hey. If you move, you're dead. I know your face. You are a walking corpse. In fact, you are dead. You are dead already. I know your face. Bloody civilian.
Commander, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Commander, good afternoon. Commander, sorry.
Hi! Hello! Omona! Hi! Hi!
How did you get this? How did you get this?
No, my friend, that boy.
That's your friend.
He gave me the cup.
Come here.
Come! Please now. Whatever.
Bloody civilian.
Yes, sir.
How did you get this?
That guy.
Calm down, Kobilo. Calm down. Talk to me. What happened?
Oh no.
I have never been so insulted in my life. My only son, Ifeanyi,
is in the hospital now.
Almost beaten to death.
Beaten to death by who?
By that idiot that calls himself Nobat.
Because he does not have a child yet. Huh?
Nobat the soldier?
I don't care what he calls himself. He has no right to beat up my son.
Have you asked your son some questions? Because the Nobat I know is not a troublemaker.
No.
Something must have led
Oh,
to
no.
him beating up your son.
Oh no, my son did nothing to him. My son did nothing to him. He only said that he saw him on the road wearing a military t-shirt that he bought at Okrika and just started beating him.
What else are you expecting? Your son is wearing military uniform and is parading himself in the street. He's not a military man. So what do you expect?
Oh no.
Yes.
I don't like what you're saying now.
No. Whatever he is passing through, he brought the pain upon himself. Hey. Now listen, Nobat is a soldier and should be appreciated. In fact, should be respected for what he is.
Oh no, I don't like what you are saying now. Huh? I don't like it. He has no right to beat up my son almost to the point of killing him. He's lying in the hospital in a very critical state now, as I'm talking to you.
Huh? Well, as for that, well, I will come and see your son. I will come to the hospital to see your son. But honestly, you have to talk to your son. Caution him. Do you understand? Because whatever has happened to him, he brought it upon himself.
Hey, oh no.
Yes, I want to tell you one thing. I don't interfere with military matters at all. That is it.
Hey! Hey!
Nai, why have you abandoned your food inside? Eh?
Ne. I am disappointed at the way. Yes. I never knew that we have crowned a coward as a king.
My husband, you don't speak about our Igwe in such manner. What happened?
Of all the complaints tabled before the Igwe by the villagers about that non-entity, that coward, that vagabond who calls himself Commander Bull. I mean Novet. Eh? Igwe never said anything and never did anything.
Makagene.
Oh,
why?
It is very obvious that Igwe is afraid of that little boy. He's afraid of him. Everybody in this village fears Nobet. Why? Oh, because of his uniform. I call that army camouflage. Finish. Nothing more than that. Listen, that I will not shut up my mouth. That boy is a small boy. He cannot do me anything. Has he ever fought war? War. I fought world war. And I received slaps from up and down and every corner. And I was...
Enough. What is your problem?
Onyegobu. Who is he?
Nai, everybody in this village knows that that boy is very, very deadly. Nai, please, I don't want to turn a widow overnight.
I'm warning you. You better listen to me.
It's all right.
You better listen to me.
It's okay.
I don't want that.
I'm back.
Adam, Mommy, welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Yes, I can see the tray is empty.
Trust me now.
Don't you trust my daughter
I trust her.
again?
Money too.
Eh?
Yeah.
Abeg, hold it. Don't mind your father. Eh?
Mama, I'm hungry.
I know you are hungry. Just go inside there. There's food there. Finish everything.
Thank you, Mama.
Just eat everything.
Thank you, Mama.
Adam, come. Please, I want you to help me and talk to your father. The way he speaks about this Commander
Bull.
Yes. I don't like it at all. I don't want trouble. Help me to talk to your father, and let your father to know that the fearing of a soldier is the beginning of what? Wisdom. Talk to him.
Papa, Commander Bull is a brave man. Please, I even like him. And that's the kind of man I want to marry. You
said what?
I said I want to...
Shut up your mouth. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. Marry who? Marry that non-entity. Vagabond. No. Don't say that again.
Papa is a brave
if I marry my worker, who is soldier? Who is soldier?
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth before I use this thing on you. Who is soldier? Look at your daughter.
Me, I said my own. No, that's man out to get married.
Nine.
Is it?
Yes.
Get out! Come on, go inside before I use this thing on you. Go inside, I will take it inside myself. Nine. In fact, allow me to do this game myself. Come on, go inside. Go inside. I'm off here.
Combatant soldier, he jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog.
Commander Bull.
This your kind of visit at this time of the day to my place. I hope all is well, Commander.
Oh no. I need new boots. Yes, I need a new boot. So support my ministry.
Mantaka is okay. Commander, and how I want you here now the wood dear. And how Mopano Dikeh and Hunye. So, anyhow, it is. Can you let this one support the ministry?
Let us count it.
Until by 0.5 from we haki say 5K.
5 akinyem no. No more give up to 5. I bal more that tegaro. No more Commander Boo, listen. No. Have I asked you to kneel down in public before?
No. In fact, that will be the last thing I want to think about in my life now.
Have I removed your cap in public before?
No, Commander, no. I willingly used to remove it before you. I removed it now, you saw what happened.
Show some love. Add more money. I'm in a hurry. No, respect is reciprocal.
I'm on.
Well, Obagatok, it has come up now.
How much is there now?
Onto 7 point. Akisa.
Go inside. I'm done with you. I will leave when I'm done.
Commander.
Hey! Come here. You have been tapping wine in this community and you're not paying tax to anybody. Come here, my friend.
Thank you, my husbands, for honoring this invitation. Since I lost my husband, you people have been there for me and my son before he left to become a soldier. But I have complaints against Nobat.
Commander Boo.
Boo or whatever you call him is none of my business. He is Nobat, my son.
So, what about him?
You people know how he has married many wives just because he's looking for a child. I told him to be patient with God and continue his work as a man.
We are all aware of this now. Huh?
The reason I'm telling you this is that I want all this nonsense to stop. Enough is enough. He has succeeded in turning his wives into soldiers, making them face harsh punishments.
But the women are not complaining. They are enjoying the marriage.
Enjoying what? And what are they enjoying? Eh? They are all afraid of Nobat. They're not enjoying anything. I mean, how can a sane person enjoy punishment? It's not possible. So please, I want you people to help me talk to him. He barely listens to me.
Well, we have heard you. But you know how we and everybody in the village fear your son. Because I don't want to have any problem with him at all.
Neither do I.
I see. I understand what you people are saying. But how can you people be afraid of Obele Nse?
Commander Boo. Commander Boo. Commander Boo.
He is my son, remember? I gave birth to him. So he must listen to you people. He must. Because I must follow you to his house. Let us stop all this madness. This is pure madness.
An abomination just happened in this barracks. This is the height of abomination. A bloody civilian had the impetus, the effrontery, the temerity to sneak into my private territory and stole my money. Me, Commander Boo, I won't take it. I will forgive only on one condition. Confess now. Stealing attracts severe punishment in the military. I would like to start. Confess now. I hate repeating myself. Confess now. Who stole my money?
Okay. You know I can't do such thing.
Will you shut up, you bloody civilian? Where were you? As my 2IC, this barrack is under your care each time I'm not around. You allowed a bloody civilian to move into my private territory and stole my money? For the very last time, I hate repeating myself. Who stole my money?
Rubbish! Nonsense! Balderdash! No one, I repeat, no one steals from Commander Bull and goes scot-free. No one. Not even in my next war. How dare you, without the impetus, the audacity, the temerity to steal from me, Commander Bull? No, this is the height of insult. No one dares me even in my next war. Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes? Just to save children in Morovia. Where were you? Now you have the guts to steal from me? No. BBC, barring bloody civilians. BBC, barring bloody civilians. BBC, that's what you are. You have the guts to steal from me. In fact, you are dead. You are dead. Dead men don't talk. Dead men don't talk. Dead men don't talk. You people are dead. Say your last prayers. Say your last prayers in silence. BBC. Body blood is in there.
Commander, I'm the one that collected the money. What? Oh, Commander, I needed money. I'm sorry. I didn't have any money, Commander. Please, don't kill me. Oh.
It's you.
Hey, Commander, please, you know I'm the only daughter of my parents.
So you had the guts to steal my money and allow me come this far?
Commander, please, don't kill me. You know I'm the only daughter of my parents. Hey, Commander, you know I'm the only daughter. Don't kill me. Oh!
Akubido, my brother, I am very sorry. I could not come to see your son all this while. I'm very, very sorry. I was just busy. So how is he now?
He's getting better.
Oh.
He just got back from the hospital.
Oh, thank God, thank God. He'll be fine. But why Igwe is condoning this injustice from this boy? Why? Why can't he deal with him? Eh? I mean, this boy, he's taking too much in this village. Is he the only soldier in this world that we all should run away from him in this village? Eh?
Hey, I don't blame the Igwe. That coward is obviously afraid of nothing. But Muabo Akubilo, I will deal decisively with him in this village. Mechasaya, after dealing with him, he will know why they call me Akwe.
I honestly hate that boy with passion. How can he just be terrorizing everybody in this village and he will not do anything? Look, if I were you, I would have picked my cutlass and go to his house and deal with him. Nonsense. Well, how can he do that to your son and you leave him to go like that? It's unfair.
Is he not a coward soldier? All his mates are at Sambisa forest fighting in the Boko. He came back here sheepishly and became a tyrant.
Look, you need to go and deal with that boy. You need to deal with him.
Yes.
Show him that you're a man. Eh?
I will deal with him.
And I'm
dealing with him in this village. Yes. He will know where they come here.
I trust you. I'm behind you.
When I finish thinking him, he will know.
Yes, I trust you. Go ahead, go and deal with him. I'm solidly behind you. Nonsense. Do I see?
Yes, sir!
Where are the rest of the soldiers?
They are sleeping, sir!
As Dangote wives or what?
Civilians!
Stop here! You people are sleeping. As what? Dangote's wives, Abi? Stand there and watch this punishment. Carry that block! Carry that block! Carry! Hands up! Fast! Hands up! You have the guts to steal my money. Huh? Where were you? Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you? Huh? Where were you when I killed 93 people under 4 minutes just to make sure there was peace in Uganda? Where were you? You have the guts to steal my money. Me, Commander Bull. Do I see?
Sir!
You stay like this till night. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Good.
Oh! Hands up!
Oh no, she. See you. Your time will soon pass. And I pray I will be the one that will pay you for your wickedness. Or to watch Dikeh. Idiots, you got what you deserve.
Look, Ned, if you're not here to console her, now get out.
Is it your body? Is it your body?
Ned, she's my friend and this is her body. If you have nothing useful to say, I say get out.
I will not get out.
I said, come on, get out.
Do your worst now.
Mad. I said, get out.
Anyways, I just came to see if she's really in pains because she's a big thief and only lazy women steal from their husband. Mama, what is it? What have I done this time around?
Just listen to yourself. You ask me what you did. Just go there and look at Adaku's back and tell me what you see.
Mama, I was only obeying the commander's order. Besides, she stole from him.
She stole from him. Just look at yourself. Listen to yourself. She stole from him. That is wickedness.
You should go talk to your son that gave me the orders.
You still have the mouth to talk. Okay, wait. I will deal with you. I will show you. I will show you that I'm the one that gave birth to that your commander. Mumoria. Mumoria.
Papa, you're still here. Papa, who is the man that just left our house?
Oh, it was Nnamdi, Ichiakabuze's son.
Ah, okay.
He's a trader in Onitsha. He came to seek your hands in marriage. So I told him to come by next week with his people.
Papa, how can you do that kind of thing now?
No. What is wrong in what I have done? Huh? No, are you not ripe enough? Are you not of age to get married? That is why I did what I did.
You said it yourself. I'm of age to get married, so let me get the husband of my choice now.
But you have not sent me any man. Eh? And that is why I have to take the decision for you. Eh? No, if you don't know how to decide, I think I have to decide for you.
But I cannot decide for me. Me, I will not marry him. I will not marry who I don't love and who I don't know. You cannot just make any person come and marry me now.
Tururu. Listen to me, my dear daughter. If you are not prepared to marry that man, then you should also be prepared to out of my house.
Me, I will not marry him, Papa. I won't, period.
Eh?
I will not marry him.
Hey. Hey, well. Hey. You will not marry him then. Be prepared to get out. Also, if it is some... Listen to me. Listen. Listen, I want you.
Sir! Commander, sir!
Commander,
sir!
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? You allowed rain to drench my cap. My military cap.
I forgot, sir!
Shut up! You forgot. Incompetence. Gross incompetence. How could you? Come here. Your cap. You are no longer my 2YC. Hand over. Oh yeah. And for allowing rain to drench my cap, you will do frog jump for 2 days. Start there. Fast. Yes, sir. Good. Nadi! Come here.
Yes, sir.
Good. Take. You are now my latest 2YC. She is under punishment and suspension. She have to do frog jump for 2 days. Monitor her.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from... our nation. Commander Bulldog.
Stop. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
No, you are not. Since I dethroned you from the office of my 2YC, you have been fluctuating like a confused rain. You see your life? People don't know the value of what they have until they lose it. Next time you have to be more serious with your office. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now get out.
He's a combatant soldier. He jumped down from
My love, I have always wanted to give you what you want. But I don't know why you have refused to make love to me.
Listen, it's not like I've refused to make love to you, no. But anyone beaten by a cobra by day will always be afraid of any black robe at night. I don't want to waste my energy again. No. I have 4 wives and they all failed me.
My love, don't say that. I'm convinced that I will give you what you want. Not just that. My love, I'm convinced that I will give you twin male soldiers. Don't lose hope. I will do that.
All right, let's give it a trial. Freshen up, let's make the night a memorable one.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog. Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation.
I salute Commander Boo. I salute Commander Boo.
What do you want?
Commander Boo, I came to show appreciation for the good work you have been doing in this our community. And as a means of showing my appreciation, I brought this yam, these 2 bags of yam and this money to you.
I hate repeating myself, so go straight to the point. Why are you here? Do you want me to punish you? Straight to the point.
I just came to tell you, thank you.
For the very last time, what do you want? What are you doing here?
Commander Boo, I'm very sorry. It's about the land. That land you chased me out from. Please. I want that land. I want to farm on that land. Anekwe is dragging the land with me.
But the land belongs to Anekwe, right?
Yes, Commander Boo. But he doesn't have the money to farm on the land. And you know we are in the season of yam plantation. I have the money and the resources, but he will not allow me to keep dragging the land with me. Please, Commander Boo.
So in a nutshell, you want to lease that land, right?
Yes. I need your help to actually talk sense into that man. So that you will allow me to use that land. You will allow me to farm on that land. Please help me, Commander Boo. Biko.
Your message is clear. Leave my barracks.
Alright.
He is a great soldier.
Nai, don't you think you're being so hard on our daughter? Eh? Forcing her to marry someone she's not in love with. And Nai, ask her no when you beat a child with your right hand, you use your left hand to bring her back. And Nai,
but our
please.
daughter has come of age to get married. She has not brought any man to us. We want to see somebody in this house, a man. And let her bring somebody to us so that we know that, yes, if she cannot take such a decision, then I should do that for her.
Nai, she said we should be patient. There was never a time she said she will not get married. All she's asking us to do is to relax. She will bring the man. Why don't you calm down? What is all this, Nai?
Patient,
Abia State.
Abia State. So you agreed with that girl?
Nai.
You agreed with Okamaka? I know you will agree with her. Because you are birds of a feather. Yes. I don't know what is wrong with you people. I don't know what is wrong with your brain. Especially you women in general. You agreed with her. Now, where is the husband? Where is that husband that she so loves? If love is the matter. Okay, I will give her 6 months. 6 good months. And once she's not able to bring any man to us, she should be ready to pack out of this house. That's all. That's all. I'm taking my decision.
No, it has not gotten to that.
No, it has. No, are you telling me you are not watching that girl very well? No, look at her 2 headlamps. I mean her breast.
Nah, enough.
That is enough to even tell that she is right.
She is a baby to me, Nai. Nai, what is all this? Must you look at her breast to tell me her age? Why don't you concentrate on my own, Nai? What is it?
That is a signature tune. It's a signature tune.
She is a baby.
She's not.
She's a baby to me.
She's not.
Nai.
That breast has shown that she is matured. She is matured.
Look at you. Just tell me that you want to drink so that I will go and buy palm wine for you. You're looking for someone that will come and marry your daughter.
Just sorry.
He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our
Commander Boo, show us, sir. Let's go. Stop there.
Such a handsome young man.
Come back
Papa. I can't help feeling so attracted to him.
Ah.
Oh my God.
Let's go.
Papa, please.
Can't you
promise
greet?
me you will help me to talk to him. Please, promise me.
Look, the farm work is waiting. Let's go and finish it.
No, promise me.
Okay. When I finish my farm work, we'll discuss about that. Let's go.
Papa, I can't wait.
Let's go.
I'm dying of impatience already. I want to
Are
become
you
his
deaf?
own. I want to become his wife. But the problem here is that he hardly looks at my face.
Okay, don't worry. Let's go and finish the work. We will talk about it later. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Young man, I'm so loving him.
Let's go. Are you sick or blind? Can't you greet? Now, identify yourself. Identify yourself. I hate repeating myself. If you don't identify yourself now, I will identify you my own way. Identify yourself, bloody civilian.
I am not one of your wives. Neither am I one of your admirers. I'm different from the rest, and that's my identity.
Moral.com. Moral.com. You know what? I won't waste my time on you. Thank your stars that I'm not with my koboko. I'll come and talk to your father in the evening. Will you move away from this place? Ugly bloody civilian. Ugly bloody civilian.
Honestly, I can't believe that this year I have not shared bed with my husband more than twice this year.
You're even lucky. You have shared twice. Me is only once this year. Ofuano, it can't ekwoku.
It's not affecting me.
It's affecting me badly. Are we not humans?
We are humans. In as much as they try to treat us like soldiers, at least they should still know that we have human feelings.
Exactly, Ned. Exactly. He should start sharing the bed with us the way he used to share it with that Otocha. Who knows who will give him the child he's looking for? It's too much, and I don't like it.
Honestly,
what?
I'm considering sleeping with another man.
Sleeping with another man?
Ade.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. What's up?
Hi. I'm on my way to your house to see you.
To my house?
Yes, sir.
If I know, I won't bother myself coming out now.
But you need regular exercise to get your feet back. Yeah, bro.
I pray that God just take all these things away so that I can enroll to my academy.
Academy? Which academy?
Defensive academy now. I want to be a soldier.
You a soldier with this baby?
I'm serious. I want to be a soldier. And then I will deal with that idiot that called himself Nobet. And deal with him for what he did to my parents.
Wayo. Take it easy. How can you abandon your dream of becoming a mechanical engineer to a soldier? All because of what Captain Boo?
Don't call that name. I hate it and I must deal with him. When I'm done with my army, he might be an old man.
Okay, I have heard, I agree you deal with him. But your leg is still paining you. Let us just go to your house and continue this conversation.
My house?
Yes, your house. Don't worry, just calm down. I will deal with that idiot. Captain Boo. Not a boo, it's a bulldog. Don't worry. Fine boy.
What is the excitement all about?
I'm pregnant.
Sorry, say that again.
I said I'm pregnant.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Like, you have Commander Boo Jr. in there.
A soldier.
Finally. At last, finally. So it's a dream. It's a dream. This dream must come to pass. This dream must come to pass.
Look, don't worry. When he comes, I will talk to him. He has no right to do that. When did
how will he be treating his wife as if they are
he cannot. You don't worry. Let him come.
Thank you.
Johnson.
Commander Boo.
You shut up. You're not a military man. You're a bloody civilian. So don't bring down those hands. Say Commander Boo.
Commander Boo.
Hmm?
Sorry.
What are you people doing here without my consent?
We came because we come in peace, but your mother, we came because of what your mother said.
Yes, I told them that you were maltreating your wives. That is the reason we are here. You people should speak up now.
You have said it. You have said it. That is all. You have just said it.
You people should talk now.
You have said it.
It's all said.
You have said it.
That's just why we are here.
Yes.
So you people have the impetus, the temerity, the audacity to walk into my barracks and tell me how to run my family.
Mbao, we have not come here to do super. Just because of what your mother said.
She said it.
She said it.
Bloody civilians.
Yes, sir.
Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you?
Sorry.
I'm sure you were wasting your life somewhere with some prostitute.
Yes.
Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes in Monrovia? Peacekeeping. Where were you? I'm sure you were somewhere drinking okokoro.
Yes.
You have the guts to walk into my barracks and in fact, 2 of you kneel down.
Hey!
Impossible! Ah! What a killer! It's a raffitia kokoburo here. Enna jugi. Egwona tokwage. How can you order your uncles to kneel down before you?
Mama, that you are my mother, you have limit. Oh. If I signal 82 deep, you won't like yourself.
Let them come.
Sani and Musa, they don't hear English.
Let Sani and Musa come.
All they hear is fire. They would have handled you, Mama.
Let them come. Huh? He's a raffitia. What is your problem?
Kneel down.
We did not send it to me. She what? She said it.
Are you there?
Hey, wait.
Kneel down, Oiso.
No bad.
Lie down. Lie down.
No bad.
Next time you don't cross my barracks to advise me on how to. What is my name?
No bad.
What is my name? What is my name?
Hey! Hey! Hey, what?
Lie down.
No bad.
Adako, I really don't think her husband is a soldier anymore.
Why do you say so?
Why is only him posted here in this village? Is there no other place to send him?
Well, that is what he told us and everybody that cares. Everybody in this village knows about it.
Me, I don't think he's still working with the army. I heard that soldiers are being paid very well. Why is he finding it hard providing for us?
Okamaka, we are too many. Do you think it's easy to marry 5 wives?
And he will still take more when his 2IC fails to give him a child. Because I know that one is certain. That man is here to tell us what is wrong with him. Me, I don't just understand him again. No. We have to make sure that that man is still genuine.
He's a soldier and he's genuine. Me, I have no doubt about it in my mind. He's not yet.
Me, I have, if he says so.
Anikwe, thank God I'm meeting you on the road to tell you this very important information. The land has finally come back to me.
You are joking. Get out of my way.
You see, the table has finally turned around.
Unamani, I say get out. You are joking.
Hey, money answer it all things. You see, Anikwe, you gave she-goat, a barren she-goat. I gave money. I mean money and 2 bags of yam to Commander Boo. So Commander Boo is mine.
You mean he took it from you?
You see, I'm just trying to help you, to warn you to stay off from that land. Because you know what happened to me the other day. I don't need to tell you this. You see, meanwhile, I want to go and see my workers at the farm. Anikwe.
Hey, what? Commander Boo took money from Namani. Hey! Commander Boo, you are not traitor Boo. In fact, you are Judas Boo.
Service to our nation, Commander.
Authority! Quiet! You are in the presence of Commander.
Who I see?
Commander, sir!
What's happening there?
They are making noise, sir!
Huh?
They are making noise, sir!
They are making noise.
Yes, sir.
Shameless, bloody civilians. Is it not bad enough that you people are barren? You can't even give me an imbecile, talk more of a complete child, and you are there blabbing. I'm sure you destroyed your wombs, clubbing, smoking, drinking shisha. You can't even make babies, and you are there shouting and making noise. Listen. Number 1 rule in every barracks is discipline. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
I don't even like the voice of that yes, sir. Everybody lie down.
Hey.
Fast! Fast! Lie down!
Front of back, sir.
Back! Face down. How dare you fight in my barracks? If you people are that powerful, why didn't you join WWE? Fight Hulk Hogan, fight Ultimate Warrior, beat John Cena and prove to me you have power. All Richard Rice will not have enough muscle. You. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
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 Idiot comparison. Bloody civilians. Even you. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Bloody civilian.
No,
Bloody civilian. You. I have not even finished paying your bride price. That means I have not finished paying your bride price. You have the guts to fight in my barracks, okay? Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again? Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
Bloody civilian. Idiot comparison. You. Overfeeding is your problem, it's obvious. Overfeeding. After consuming my food, all you do is blab and fight. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Come here.
No.
Come back here.
Yeah.
Bloody civilian. Come back here. Anon Papa, you are wasting my food. Give me baby, no. I'm sure you are barren because of how you lived your life.
No, sir.
No, sir. He said pussy guy say Igbo.
No, sir.
And off here. Make baby, no. Fight, yes. Will you fight again?
No, sir.
What is my name? What is my name?
Commander Jumbo, sir.
What is my name?
Commander Jumbo, sir.
What is my name?
Commander Jumbo, sir.
Bloody civilian. Will you fight again?
No.
Will you fight again?
I cannot, sir.
Will you fight again?
No, sir.
What is my name?
Oh, Commander Boy,
What is
sir.
my name?
Oh, Commander Boy, sir.
Bloody civilian.
I really enjoyed it all. Thank you so much. So, when am I going to see you again?
Anytime, anyhow. You know my house now, so you can come over.
It's not by knowing your house. I want to see you tomorrow. I want to see you next tomorrow. I want to see you next month. I want to see you next year. In fact, I want to see you every... I want to see you next year.
No problem. I will do anything to make you happy.
Okay.
Okay?
No problems.
Yeah.
Let me start going. Okay. I'll call you later. Yeah? Try.
Hey, Ned, who is he?
It's somebody that's been taking care of me recently.
So you mean you've been seeing another man aside our husband?
But I told you now. Didn't I tell you? See, I cannot kill myself. I've gotten it up to here. Our husband is starving us. What do you want me to do? My dear, open your eyes.
Is he good?
You know me. That guy is hot. See, there is nothing as sweet as doing it to somebody that is full of energy and life. My dear, open your eye. You better join the moving train.
Yes. But then, Ned, I'm afraid.
Of what?
What if our husband finds out? He will kill us.
Who will tell him? You or me?
I can't tell him.
If you like, tell him that I did. Did you see me? You will bring picture now. Did you snap me? Let's go.
That boy.
Oh, the hot. Come on, carry. Babe, you better join the moving train. I tell you, man. I swear. Come. Come with this one.
What's up? Hey! Zamaka has gone instead. No, Zamaka! No, Zamaka!
Nai.
Please, come.
Nai, what is it?
Look at your daughter. What is wrong with her?
Uzamaka.
No, I don't know.
Uzamaka. Kedifo.
What is it?
What is it?
Have you gone insane?
Papa, I'm just happy with myself. I'm fine.
Happy?
Yeah.
Hey. Happy?
Hey.
You are happy, eh? For what? Did you win jackpot?
What is it? Talk to us, eh? Tell me, what is it?
Mama. Papa. I found a man for myself.
Hey! Nai.
You have found the man you will marry.
Uzo.
Good news.
Hey, Nai. She's not insane.
This is good news. I can now see you are not insane, my daughter.
She's not. Good
news. Good news. Listen to me. Listen. You keep that.
Nai, let her tell us who the person is.
No, who else? Who else? Just keep it to yourself. When I come back, we will continue from where we
started. Nai.
Now, I think I have known you are not
Nai, you can go. Adam.
I am already late. Let me run that.
Nai. Ne.
Mama.
Who is he?
Hey, Mama. He's not that person. Dan. Commander Boo.
Commander Guinea. How's Amaka?
Commander Boo.
The Boo waiting.
The brave man.
Shut up your mouth. Have you gone out of your senses? Please, don't even say this to your father. He will just skin you alive. Are you okay?
Mama, me, I don't care. I don't care if people don't like him. Me, I'll marry him because I love him. And I think he loves me too. I will marry him. Mama, I will marry him. No,
Who's Amaka?
Papa.
So what did you say?
Papa, I said I'm in love with Commander Boo.
What? That you are in love with Commander Boo? Uzamaka, are you mad? Are you mad? Oh, so you want to bring shame into this family? Eh? You want to bring shame into this family? Hey! All the able-bodied young men in this Amazo village, it is that idiot, that impotent, stupid boy that you want to get married to? Is that what you're telling us? Eh? That is the kind of person you want to have as a husband? No, has he any child?
Papa, he has not found the right woman to give him a child. And I feel it strongly that they want to give him a child.
Can you hear your daughter? Eh? You want to bring shame into us. You want to bring shame into this household. It will never work out. It will never. It will never.
Papa, see, he's a brave man. Oh. And me, I'll get married to a brave man.
Shut up! Keep your mouth shut!
Mama, happen, I love it.
Leave me alone. Shut up! Shut up for once!
Papa, he's a brave man. Don't you want to get out?
Leave my house. Hey!
I'll marry a brave man. I'll marry a brave man.
Hey. You're sitting down. Are you sitting down? Shut up, diabetic old fool. You have the guts to take my name to your native doctor's place. Me, Commander Boo. Even your native doctor bows to me. How did you know that? How did I know? Came and caused Omugo. Every Saturday, you must sweep this village. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Every Saturday, you must sweep this whole village. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good, continue.
Okay, sir.
Anofia.
Thank you, sir.
Continue walking. Bloody civilian.
Down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog, Commander Bulldog is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building.
Who are you and who are you looking for?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
I'm sorry. My name is Amoche, the daughter of Ichi Osakwe.
How dare you bloody civilians step your feet into this barrack?
I'm sorry, but I'm here to see the commander.
For what? Move! Bloody civilian. Move! Don't waste my time. Commander, sir! This bloody civilian is here to see you.
Yes, Commander. I know you don't know me, but my name is Amoche, the daughter of Ichi Osakwe. I'm sorry for coming unannounced. I really want us to see in private.
In private? How dare you bloody civilian speak directly to the commander? You should be punished for this. No!
Excuse us.
But Commander!
So excuse us.
Thanks for accepting me.
It's not accepted, it's forgiven.
Believe me, ever since you returned to this village, I have been a huge admirer of your bravery. It is not easy passing through the military
and coming back successful. I am so proud of you. So, I have been looking for a way of showing you appreciation and loyalty. So, I brought this food for you. I beg of you, please do not say no.
3-story building killed 90 people in 3 minutes. In military service to our day.
Mama, me, I'm old enough to make decisions for myself. I'm old enough.
Amaka, but you know your father never liked him. Eh?
Mama, I don't care if he likes him or not. What has Commander Boo done to Papa? Tell me now. Mama, say this is pure jealousy. Papa is just jealous.
Don't talk to your father.
He's jealous.
What has come over you? Eh? You know that your father will never approve of it. I don't want any trouble, my daughter. Please.
Okay. He will not approve of it, Abi. He's been threatening to throw me out of the house, right? He's been threatening to throw me out of the house, and I will go. Because I'm tired of tolerating this nonsense, Mama?
Go where?
I'm not a child.
My daughter is okay now, eh? You are no longer a kid.
Thank God you know.
And that is one thing your father fails to understand.
Then talk to him.
Relax, I will talk to him.
Talk to him, because me, if I don't marry the person I want, I will leave this house for people. I will leave.
Amaka, you are not going anywhere.
Mama, I will go.
Amaka?
Mama.
Amaka?
Mama, I'm coming. I want to see my friend.
I'm not done talking to you.
Oh my God, he's so sweet! Amuchi, wait. You mean to tell me you slept with him on the first day? My dear girl.
My dear, that is the power of love.
What power of love? Amuchi, so you mean to tell me that you are now so stupid to have degraded yourself to a village prostitute?
Please, Chokube, do not call me names. Is it not my body? I gave it to the man that I love, and I enjoyed it, and I'll continue to enjoy it forever. Oh, Biko!
My dear, be very careful. Be very, very careful. Amuchi, all that glitters are not gold. They are not good.
Please, Chekube, if you don't want to accompany me to his house, please tell me. After all, I went there by myself the very first time. I can also go there on my own, okay?
I'm not accompanying you to that door.
Excuse me.
Why can't any of my wives conceive? Why? 2YC! 2YC!
Commander, sir!
You told me you were going to see the doctor. What did he say? Are you deaf? What did he say? He said you're not pregnant. And you're not even ashamed to say it. Take a good look at yourself. You are just a wasted dustbin, wasted effort. You can't even give me a baby. Get out of my sight before I kill you. Get out! Give you which more time? Are you building? Ordinary to conceive. Any street girl can conceive and give birth. You are telling me to give you more time. My friend, get out of my sight before I kill you. I'm off here. Leave here! Barren, bloody civilian. Barren, bloody civilian. That's what you are. Nothing good can come out of Israel. The doctor said you're not pregnant. Can call Gaka.
ease. Attention! At ease. Chest out. Down. Chest out. Down.
Sir!
Step forward. Give me your whistle. Henceforth, you are no longer my 2YC. You have been dethroned. Do you understand?
Yes, sir!
Step back. Come back here. You.
Sir.
Step forward. You are now my latest 2YC.
Yes, sir. I promise to effectively discharge my duty as a 2YC without fear or favor. So help me God.
Good. Step back. Attention! At ease. Attention! At ease. Attention! Chest out. Down. Chest out. Down.
Agwara ndị ọ naghị adịgide. Awa mgbe nta nwanne ọ naghị adịgide. Cool down. Ọ gwara gị agwa. Attention! National salute! Salute!
Masa, do this one.
Attention! National salute! Salute!
There is something I want to tell you.
I'm all ears.
I love you.
Is that what you want to tell me?
Of course he is. So tell me, when are you coming to see my father?
Your father?
Yes.
Is he sick?
No. I mean, when are you coming to properly ask for my hand in marriage? Yes. Or have we not gotten to that part yet?
Look, close your mouth. Are you serious? Is this the way you behave? When am I coming to ask for your hand in marriage? No, Kukuma proposed to me. No, propose to me. Let's know you're in a hurry. Are you supposed to remind me?
Sorry, I don't understand you.
You don't understand me. Listen, there is nothing like marriage in my agenda. There is nothing like marriage. All I need is a male child. Okay? So prove yourself. Conceive. Get pregnant first before telling me I should come and see your stupid father. Your father on go. Is he sharing money?
Excuse me? What do you take me for? A whore? Oh. Maybe you think this is how I open my legs to other men.
I don't bloody care. You don't have the right to ask me when I'm coming to see your parents. No, Kukuma proposed to me now. Let's know you're a desperate woman. In fact, I'm tired of talking to you. As you can see, military zone, keep off. Oh yeah, leave this place. Leave this place also. Jobless idiot. I said leave this place. When am I coming to see your diabetic father? Leave this place also. Jobless idiot.
Look, Amuche, just tell me you are joking.
How can I joke with such thing, Papa? I am serious. How can't you see the tears in my eyes?
Yes, I can see the tears actually. But you know, women, you people are good in shedding crocodile tears. Norbert is a very straightforward man. I know him very well.
Papa. At first,
thought he was joking, but he's not. You need to have seen the seriousness in his eyes when he said, if only I get pregnant, he will marry me, Papa, me.
You yourself, you are at fault. How can you just go and meet him like that? Just present yourself like a village prostitute. It's not right. That is why he's taking advantage of you.
Papa, me. No, Papa, I didn't present myself like that. So you know your daughter now. I can't do such thing, Papa.
Okay, I've heard you.
Papa, what are you going to?
I want to go and see him so that we can discuss man to man.
What will you tell him when you see him?
And don't worry about that. It's just between us. Don't worry. Greetings, my daughter.
My friend, what is the tears all about? What is it?
Nothing, I'm fine. Leave me.
So who is your father going after?
Nobody.
Oh, you're crying now. Wait, though. Hope it's not what I think.
What? What? Come on, start again. I'm calling that. Leave me.
Is a combatant soldier. He jumped
Commander Boo, it's 3 hours now. I've been serving this punishment. Please forgive me. Let me go, please.
Thank God for rain. How was the rain? Huh? You had the guts to come here. Didn't you see what I posted there? Keep off, military zone. You have the guts to walk into my compound and talk about your useless daughter. Your useless daughter that every young boy in this village knows the color of her pants. I saw her the other day in the bush with Ebuka. Even Musa Mesuya knows the color of your daughter's pants, and you are here. Instead of you to thank your star that I even managed and touch your daughter, you are blabbing. You will stay here for 3 days. You will stay here for 3 days. Nobody talks with you. Will stay here for 3 days. What's my name? Again? What's my name? Good. You should be grateful that I manage your daughter. Your useless daughter. Is she sharing money? Is your daughter sharing money? Yeah? Where were you when I jumped from 21-story building during peace congress in Congo? Where were you? Where were you when I killed 95 people just to save the kids? Where were you? You had the guts to walk into my compound and talk about your useless, your useless daughter. You will stay here for 3 days. Raise up your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Animal. Your useless daughter that was even smelling. She messed my room up. Body odor. Perfume zero. No spray. Instead of you to come and thank me, you are here talking about your daughter. Who your daughter helped? Useless idiot. You will stay here for 3 days. 3 days.
Edan.
Oh, Nalwe. Can come? No, we are fine.
Why you always frown?
Huh?
Why you always frown? You should be happy that your daughter has a very nice decision by marrying. Yes. Well, you should be very happy. I don't know why you...
That my daughter made the right decision by marrying a soldier? Is that what you are telling me? By marrying an impotent man?
Oh, God.
No. What are you talking?
Don't talk like that. Don't talk.
Oh. I wish your daughter that kind of man. A man who could not impregnate his 5 wives. Is it the 6th one that he will be able to impregnate? Huh? No. Is that what you're telling me? No, I think you are drunk this morning.
We are not talking of pregnancy now. We are not talking of all those things now. Just be happy that this girl made a very nice decision by marrying a brave soldier known in this community now. Why?
A soldier that is impotent. No, okay, that's all right. No, Nalwe, it's enough. It's enough. If you know you are drunk, no, don't use it on me. Listen. Nalwe, go and give your own daughter to him.
Oh, yeah, oh, my dear.
No, you want a soldier man as an in-law. Go and give your daughter to him.
I wish my daughter should take this type of decision now. People say I drink ogogoro, I drink wine, I drink this. But my daughter drinks foolishness. You see, a brave man, soldier, known in this community. You don't want, oh my dear.
Nalwe.
Go and choose something now.
Go and give your daughter to him.
I wish I do that.
Go and give your daughter to him. Listen. You must stop drinking if you have to be my friend.
The correct, people may say I'm drinking ogogoro. Now you sabi, I've told you. I don't talk.
What are you doing in my room?
I came to warm your bed like I used to.
I'm not in the mood for any woman. Leave my room.
My husband, please. Please, give me one more chance. I will give you your heart desire.
I hate repeating myself. Get out of my room.
My husband, please, I beg of you. Just once. Give me one more chance. Please.
If I stand up, your body will never remain the same. Leave!
Can't you see I'm not in the mood?
What is it? When did it start? No, you that does not allow me rest until I give you 1 or 2 rounds. You are the one telling me you are not in the mood. But no, it cannot come.
Oh, my husband, leave me alone now. Leave me alone. I'm not happy. Can't you see our daughter is not happy? And it's really affecting me. She said she wants to marry Commander Bro. Why not allow her to marry the person she's in love with?
And what will she benefit by going to that man's house and will not have a child? That man that is impotent.
My husband, is that what you wish your only daughter? No. Is that your prayer for her?
No. Listen to me. Okay, it's all right now. How does it affect doing this thing?
I'm not doing every time. Do.
It's all right.
Don't even rest. Why don't you just allow this thing to rest? I will not do because now the baking hope. I'm not doing.
Is a combatant soldier. He jumped down from 3-story building, killed 90 people in 3 minutes in military service to our nation. Commander Bulldog.
Commander Boo, what is this? Commander Boo, good day, sir. Sir, you don't remember me? I'm the Okpasela. Good day, sir. I just want to tell you that I love you so much. I love you with all my heart.
You love me?
Yes, sir.
Drop that thing here.
Huh? Thank you, sir.
Kneel down. Hands up. Close your eyes.
Sir?
Don't make me repeat myself. Kneel down. Hands up. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Bloody civilian. Do you know, am I supposed to know you? How much do you share weekly? To crown it all, you love me. Bad girl. Bad girl. Bring a bottle of beer, any cold beer.
Commander, I'm sorry.
If I slap you, your face will never remain the same. Dustbin. Where will you use away from this place? Bloody civilian. You said you love me, right? What's my name? 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 Bloody civilian. What's my name? 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 You will stay here till tomorrow morning. Next time you learn how to mind your business. Idiot. Do I know you? Am I supposed to know you? How much do you share weekly? I'm the Marcella, like you're the president of the country. To crown it all, you love me. This is my own love. Bloody civilian. Idiot comparison. Where
is Obiageli?
Mama, I called her, but I think she's still grieving the loss of her position in this house as the 2IC.
Okay. The reason I called this meeting is very important. How can you people be quiet over what is happening in this house? How can you allow Nobat, my son, keep treating you this way? Eh? The one I had yesterday was he has started seeing another woman. When is all this going to stop? I believe you all know the answer to this question. Meaning, whenever you are ready to stand up against him, you do it. This is a wake-up call. And I urge you to think about it. Think about it and free yourselves from his shackles. This is why I called you.
Mama, how do we stop a soldier? We are talking about Commander Boo.
He is capable of nothing. Nobody is my son. I carried him 9 months in my womb. He won't do anything. You people are 4 in number. He is just one person. Plan on how to stand up against him. I'm telling you this, or you remain here being frustrated forever. Ekusikwamo.
Where is that stupid fool? How dare you? How dare you treat me like that? Sorry, Commander. Be careful and know that power has changed hands in this household. I sent Adago to summon you for a meeting and you ignored that call.
I wasn't feeling too well.
How dare you disobey my orders? Come here! How dare you? Look, eh? Come here! I want to touch your boob. I say, leave that here! See, you have to go around this compound and fill the drum with water. I am giving you till 12 noon because I have other errands for you to do. Did you hear me? Now, get going!
Commander, please.
Please, come on, I should come out!
You failed.
1 hour added to your time. I said I.
Commander, please. I can't do this anymore. I'm very hungry.
You've not seen hunger and humiliation. By the time I'm through with you, you will see what I've endured from you as a 2IC. Don't forget, that power has changed her.
Hey! Commander. Sorry, Commander, please.
You had the guts to lie to me. Look at everywhere dirty.
But I swept it clean, Commander.
And you did what? And I can see pure water nylon everywhere. Huh? You had the guts to lie to me. Come on, continue. Come on.
Commander, please.
Press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come up. Hold me. Go down, carry me down. I said down. Up, down, up. I walk like a donkey. Carry me and be going. By the time I'm through with you, you understand what it means to be Kamaka. When next you hear my name, you do what? Power has changed hands. Power has. I walk like a donkey.
He jumped down from 3-story building.
Come, 2 hours added.
Come here. Follow me, stupid girl. Nine. Stay here. I want Uzamaka to repeat exactly what she told me inside. Talk to your father. Talk to your father.
Uzamaka, talk to her. What is it?
Papa, I'm pregnant.
Did you hear that?
Hey!
Pray.
No, wait. What did you just say?
I'm pregnant.
And you have the guts to say this before me?
Nine,
hey!
That is not even the problem, Nine. That is not the problem. I want you to ask her who got her pregnant. Tell your father who got her pregnant.
Commander Boo.
Hey! Uzamaka, you said it before me?
Papa.
No, because... Uzamaka, you have to go. Hey! And you are here? No, you are here. You are here.
Nine.
You are the cause of this.
Nine.
You are the cause of this.
Nonsense. Ifesinachi, you better let me be. Leave me alone.
Where do you want her to go to? Ask him, Nine. Tell me where you want her to go to.
This girl cannot bring shame into this family anymore. It is enough.
Let me tell you, you are the one bringing shame to us. Like throwing away your own daughter. Where do you want her to go to?
She should go to
what do you want people to say?
She should go to the man who impregnated her.
Oh my.
Let her go to the man that impregnated her. That's all. She has to leave. Simple. Go to that man. Enough is enough. You cannot continue to stay in this house with the man who impregnated you.
At least.
Go there.
It's a thing of joy.
What is joy?
Tell me, who will ever believe in this village that Norbert can ever got anyone pregnant?
Mama, help me
you
and
should
tell
be
him.
happy.
Mama, tell him. Only once. Makam, I took him.
Hand him. For fun.
Wow.
Shut up your mouth. I'm telling you.
You are not even ashamed of yourself.
Mommy, I broke the record.
You are very proud.
I broke
Proud
the
that you
record.
opened your leg. Wow.
Nine.
Wow.
Nine.
For that man and he has to hit you. Rubbish.
Are you mad?
Come on.
You are here telling me fun. Oh, fun. I will open your leg for you. Nine.
No.
Mama, what are you using that for now?
Nine.
Hey.
Nine, she has gone now.
Now get out.
Get out of here.
Nine, she has gone now.
Papa, don't touch your pregnant woman.
insulted my person as a retired soldier who coordinated a battalion during the Civil War.
You coordinated the Civil War?
Yes.
So I should fly off. That's some old school bullshit. Listen, I coordinated World War III, in case you don't know. My friend, what are you doing here before I lose my temper?
No better I have come to tell you the involvement that I am in the army. That is it. Don't.
You go straight to the point now.
Will you shut up your mouth? To go straight to the point? If you had closed your legs together like other guests, I wouldn't have been here, disgracing myself before this small boy.
Listen, I can be very, very dangerous when I'm angry, and I don't have time. Straight to your point, what are you doing here?
I have come to tell you that my daughter here is impregnated, and you are the one who did that. You are. You want to deny it? You are laughing.
Listen, gone are those days when they say someone is pregnant and people will be running around. It's good news. But you've proven that you are not a dustbin. You are pregnant. Yes. Jesus Lord. What have you been looking for? I'm sure it's a boy.
Yes.
Let me see. Hey, it's kicking. The baby is kicking. The baby is kicking. Congrats, my in-law to be. Is that why you're making noise? Congrats. Don't worry.
Congrats?
Yes, now. Adako. Adako. Where are they? Why are you people working out so flat and disorganized? Have you lost your sense of discipline and conduct? Why are you not standing properly?
Commander, my legs are paining me.
Your legs are paining you.
I said my legs are paining me.
One.
My neck is paining me.
Your neck is paining you.
Yes, my neck.
Two. Any other person?
Now I'm cooking. I left something on the fire.
You are cooking, so you are in a hurry.
Yes.
Beautiful. Three. Any other person? Now you all should listen and listen real good. I sense cool. Yes, you heard me. I sense cool in this barracks. If I find out any one of you, if I find out any of you is conspiring against me in this barracks, I will bury the person alive. It's a promise, not a threat. I will bury the person alive. I, Commander Bull, will bury the person alive. It's not a threat, but a promise. You people should leave. Get out of my sight! bloody civilians.
For how long will I continue to suffer here? I don't think I will last long if I continue receiving this harsh treatment from Okamaka. I'm afraid she will kill me one day. It's best I sneak out of this house, since it's obvious I have lost Nabet.
Attention! Now, what do you mean by she's gone?
Sir.
Listen, I made you my 2YC for a reason. You are supposed to be in charge of every living thing in this barracks in my absence. So what happened?
Sir, Begili escaped from the house without anybody's notice. I had instructed her to fetch water, but when I saw the drums empty, I meant to confront her, but I made the apartment empty.
You mean she ran away? I will go to her parents' house and deal with her and her parents. I paid her bride price in full, so she has no right to leave this barracks without my consent. And as for you, this is gross incompetence. Gross incompetence. You're supposed to be in charge.
Sorry, sir.
Get out of my sight. Leave!
Amoche, are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes, Papa.
Then you don't have to tell him you are pregnant.
Why don't you want me to tell him? Why?
My daughter, I have my reason. Look, I want to achieve a purpose with this your pregnancy. I am ready to take care of you and this your unborn child. Just leave it to me.
But Papa, he needs to know that it's not important.
Hey, see, my daughter, I don't want to shoot a bird and miss it. Yes, I have a very big plan for this your pregnancy. Just leave everything to me. Trust me, I'm your father.
But Papa, I don't just like this your idea. I don't just like it.
Look, my daughter, leave everything to me. By the time I finish with my plan, you'll be proud of me as your father. Just leave it to me. Please, let it be like that. Yes.
Uzamaka, as you are going to your husband's house tomorrow, you know very well I am not in support of you getting married to him, but because you have given birth to a child for me, well, I'll give you my blessing. But you have to be very careful, my dear. Be careful. Because the home you are going to is a home with so many wives. What I mean is he has many wives. So you have to be very careful. If he dares to maltreat you in any way, let me know. Don't hesitate to let me know on time. Do you hear me? Good. Good. I give you my blessing.
My daughter, give me your heart. Love and respect are the keys to every marriage. Please, I want you to love your husband and respect him. In doing that, he would not have any reason to maltreat you. Okay? Please, my daughter. And also try to avoid his wives anytime they look for your trouble. Always seek for peace. I don't want anything to happen to you, my daughter. Papa, thank you very much. I'm very happy that I have your blessing.
Thank you.
Mama, Mama, stop crying. Mama, I promise to always come around
to check on you from time to time.
Daughter, it shall be well with you. Oh, Mom. Okay,
Maybe you have not actually known the home you are going to. That man does not allow his wives out without permission. Let me tell you something. Even his in-laws from a reliable source do not visit him at all. But in my own case, I must visit that home. From time to time, I'll be coming to visit you to see how you are faring. Eh? Don't be afraid, because my case is different. So, do not think you will have all the time to always run down to this house. Eh? Just be yourself. Behave well, that is all. Hmm?
Be your father. Be yourself.
Not all that glitters is gold.
You are all I have, my daughter.
Oh. No. You have to give your dad advice a chance. Eh? He knows why he doesn't want that idiot to know you're pregnant. Biko Kenny. Eh?
But that would make Commander Boo to love me. Even make me his second in command.
Amuche, give your dad's advice a thought. What an elder sees sitting, you cannot even see it even when we climb the highest mountain. Biko Kamnayo. Enne.
What if another woman becomes pregnant for him? He will now see me as second hand, Abi. Okwe Choro. Okwe?
No. You've always desired to be his sixth wife. So becoming a second hand is even a privilege. Biko Zikanayogi. Give your dad's advice a chance. Oh?
Attention! At ease! Attention! As you all know, I smile once again. And for the fact that I'm smiling this morning simply means that today is a special day. Today is a special day and the beginning of a new dawn in this barracks. Breaking news. Standing beside me here is my new wife. Oh yes, you heard me. She has proven to be a complete woman. What you all could not give me for God knows how long. She's pregnant. Clap for her, not reason. Clap for her, not reason. Good. So she is my new wife. And because she's pregnant, that simply means she is VVIP. What did I say? VVIP. What did I say? VVIP, sir. Dog, cherish, in fact, worship her, pet her, because she is carrying Commander Boom Jr. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Let me have your 2 YC gadgets. You are hereby dethroned. You are no longer my 2 YC.
Yes, sir.
This is the latest 2 YC in this barracks. Now, salute her. Salute her! Salute her. She was all over me. I met this one in Korea. During my 2 days, I went to play. It's my mom first
Well, what?
Attention! At ease! Attention!
Thank you.
Not for anything. Our Bobby is bigger than yours. So they should accord you that respect. Hey, Mama. At least for once you came to my house smiling. Every time you blow up, okay?
Ah, one cable, no. You know my son. I'll give one a make, give one a course here. Oh, welcome.
So, Mama, if you keep coming to my house smiling, we won't be having problem. We won't be having problem. Go and carry away the...
Nna, what is this girl doing in your house?
You mean Uzo?
Her
name is Uzo Mankana. My latest wife. Breaking news. She's pregnant. Hello, Mama. Don't you trust me? One, that girl, Peter Rufai, I fired once. So she's carrying Commander Boo Junior.
No, Adina.
She's pregnant.
Please, no but is it because you are childless that we make you to accommodate every pregnant girl that moves around in this village?
She's not just a pregnant girl roaming about in this village. I said I fired once. Don't you trust me? Once Kambal Uchel. That girl is Peter Rufai. So she's carrying my baby.
I know the reason I'm asking this. Is this not the girl I know that used to move from one room to another in this village? From one man to another. I know her very well. That's why I'm asking you.
Mama, what is the name of that prostitute in the Bible that let her give birth? Don't judge people like that. Even in the Bible, there is a shower. So relax.
Must you be the one to marry that Ashawo? Eh? Obi, you know you got no Ashawo.
Mama, let's change topic. In fact, I like the color of your wrapper. How much did you buy it? Huh?
But you know, say you don't know Masha. You know. But wait, am I the only one who feels that this girl is not pregnant?
How can you say she's not pregnant when her husband introduced her as his pregnant wife?
Maybe it's true. Or is it that she's just lucky? Then maybe there's something wrong with all of us.
There's nothing wrong with me. Yes. If there's anybody something is wrong with, it has to be her husband. Yes, because there is no infertility in our lineage. In my lineage.
Me too.
Even in my own lineage.
Well,
me too.
All I know is that I am not happy the way our husbands bring strangers to this house to rule us. He can't bring some stranger here to rule us. It has to stop.
Nedi, wake up from your sleep. Wake up! The commander has given orders and there's nothing any of us can do about it. Unless we all come together, strategize a plan on how we can stop him from using us as slaves. Look at all of us. We are married to nobody. None of our families can visit us.
I greet you all, my co-wives. I come in peace.
Yeah?
I come in peace.
I'm coming to check on there. Who cares if you come in peace or not? Look, if you mess up with us, I do beg no. When I'm there, don't use because you are now the 2IC, just use your power to intimidate us.
I don't need this power. I don't want it. I'm not going to use it on anybody. I just want you all to accept me as your co-wives. I beg you. I come in peace. I'm a peaceful person. Please, I beg you.
I come in peace. Not to co-wives. In her.
Breathe, no be poor me.
lied to me. You deceived me. Lie down. Lie down here. Lie down here. You have the guts to lie. You said you're pregnant. Now you're not. Frog jump, boya. Fast. Frog jump. Bloody civilian. How dare you? You lied to me. You lied. You deceived me. That you're pregnant. In fact, lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Sani, kasanyari yanyan. Wallahi kariya tari. Kajan tara da ciki. Na aure ta haje da gida. Yau da dare an tuna ba ta da ciki. Wallahi zan cibe ta ba wata. Zan cibe ta ba wata. Uzo. Da kai da mu zan duka uzo ta mu ci buru mata. Ta ce tara da ciki. Yanzu ba ta da ciki. Uzo na gida, uzo na gida. Lie down. Lie down. You have the ghost to lie to me. You said you are pregnant. Why you are not? Bloody civilian. BBC. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. If she moves, you are dead.
Yes, sir!
I'm going to a 2 division to bring Sani and Musa.
Yes, sir!
Here to the palace.
Yes, sir!
Bloody civilian. BBC. Barring bloody civilian. Barring bloody civilian. BBC. Lie down. Come here.
Okay.
Frog jump. I will kill you today. Okay. Frog jump. You have the guts to lie. No one lies to the commander.
Okay.
Lie down.
Lie down.
Lie down. Lie down. I'm coming back for you.
Maka, I fear will not fear you. You know if you fear God. You had the mind to lie to the commander. You see how that is? So then we so. She even raised her hand and said, you lied to the better get ready because nobody that I know will finish this day for humiliating him. Hey!
Nowadays, you cannot stay one place. Commander, just because he's just a soldier. Not even pregnant because of all these things.
You see how that is? She said, we are one.
Wait, now. Okay. I wonder what you've seen in No Bats that is making you do shaka. I don't understand. But let me ask you. Are you enjoying this marriage? No. You're all one. You know what? Stand up. You had the God to take my two. I see. Attention! I am at. Hey!
Where is that useless boy? Where is that boy? Where is he? Where is that idiot? From a nobody. Where is he? You are looking at me.
Why are you making noise in my barrack?
Oh, that I am making noise. That I am making noise. It is you I have come for. Now tell me, who gave you the right to beat up my daughter? I am asking you. People said you are a soldier. But I want to let you know that I am not afraid of you at all. Because before you were born, I was already a soldier. Yes. So, who gave you the impetus to beat up my daughter? Who?
Point of correction. Your daughter is what I call BBC. Barring bloody civilian. Barring bloody civilian. Are you here to make noise or do you want me to tell you what your stupid daughter did?
What did she do? No, what did she do? Tell me. Did she steal? Did she commit adultery? No, tell me. What must warrant you raising up your filthy hands instead of coming to report or to complain to me as your superior officer? Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me show you the difference between civil war and world war.
You cannot do anything. Where is your power, eh? Hey! Hey! Listen, if you bring me down here, I will destroy you. If you... What? Hey!
Happy birthday.
What?
Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
My mouth.
Happy birthday.
Oh, my mouth.
Happy birthday.
Oh.
Happy birthday.
Hey!
Happy birthday. Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Okay.
I will show you the difference between
Let's
civil
do it.
war and world war.
Listen.
I will show you the difference between civil war and world war. I will show you the difference between civil war and world war. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You are stupid.
Happy birthday.
I will kill you.
Happy birthday.
I am going to kill
You are dead already.
If I get up, I will kill you.
You are dead already. You are dead already.
You cannot do me anything.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
You idiots! Where is my battery?
What do you mean? I don't understand.
I brought my car for you to wash only to steal my brand new battery?
Bros, I beg. Don't use that word still. I know they like him. I beg. What do you mean? Not be drive you drive come here. I be your motor no they use battery again on a coil. Which can't it be that?
I borrow my neighbor's battery to start the nonsense in that car.
Bros, the last time person call me a thief, I beg the person head. No try me, no call me thief. I dey beg you.
You break the person head.
I dey tell you.
What's a small boy? Osa, you will be my friends for long. Don't allow this battle to bring problems between us.
Bring the trouble now. Which can't it be that? See this person, oh. It is I dey fear you.
Oh.
I beg, don't use that word again for me. I go get
Shut
angry.
up your mouth! I should bring the trouble.
Yes, go bring the trouble.
Make I bring the problem.
Yes, bring them.
Now, you will see the trouble right now. You go know say Austin a big boy.
Austin, bring the trouble.
Alright.
See, make I tell you.
Okay now.
Don't use that still again for me. I go break your head, though. I dey tell you now.
Trouble.
Which can't it be that?
Trouble. You will see right now. You go know say Austin na big boy for this village. They talk to me anyhow. You go see the trouble.
So, if they say, oh sister, wetin you go steal, I go talk say na battery. This my big body with my belly, na battery. This boy dey craze so. In fact, also you dey mad, you dey craze. I don't see big car so I go steal na battery. Madman, idiot. I don't even know the water I go use to clean this thing again.
I warned you. You shouldn't have attacked him. Look at your face, eh? I told you that boy is very, very deadly.
I will deal with him.
Hey!
I will deal with him. I cannot imagine Nobet laying his filthy hands on me. I can't imagine that. I must deal with him. I must deal with him. Surely I must deal with him.
Nai, you must do what? Nai, in this condition. And Nai, in this condition.
Nai, I beg of you, I don't want to turn to a widow overnight. Now look at your face, eh?
Stay away from that boy. That boy is not a human being. And Nai, you are not even out of the pains inflicted on you. And here you are, telling me you will deal with him. Nai, I beg you. Nai,
I will deal. Surely I will deal
Nai,
with him.
Biko, Nai, Biko.
Adam. Eh? Come. Why are you crying? Who did this to you? Eh? Who did this to you? Nai.
Papa, I'm sorry. Biko. Papa, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry.
What is your fault?
Papa, but what happened to you? Papa was very desperate. I was very desperate. I'm sorry, Biko.
Biko for what? I'm lost here, Nai. Eh? What did you do to your husband?
Amaka, talk to me. What is it?
No, it's okay. It's okay, my daughter. It's all right. That boy thought he has won this fight. He has not won. He has not won. Let us watch out what is going to happen next. I am going to deal with him. I must deal with that boy.
I'm lost here.
I must.
What happened? What did you do to your husband?
Yeah? Where is the pregnancy? What happened to the pregnancy?
Mama, that's the reason why I said I was desperate.
But the pregnancy is supposed to be 3 or 4 months.
Yes. I'm sorry, Biko. Now forgive me. I'm sorry.
Forgive you for what? Talk now. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Okay, Mama. I was desperate. I lied to everybody about being pregnant. Mama, I was in love with Nolywood. I wanted to marry him. Mama.
I don't understand. As in, you mean you were not pregnant?
Yes, I was not pregnant. Mama.
Uzo Amaka.
I was not pregnant.
Uzo, come. Open your eyes. Come here. You mean you were not pregnant? Uzo, are you feeling pains?
No.
Hey! Nai.
Uzo Amaka, Uzo Amaka, you are a disgrace.
I knew it. I knew there was something odd about that girl. But you wouldn't listen to me. You find it so hard to obey me. I asked you not to go to military. But you disobeyed me. So look at what is happening today. Just look at your life.
Mama, let bygone be bygone. Must you repeat yourself all the time?
It can't be bygone. Because it is still all over you. How can you call it a bygone? Eh? The whole thing is still haunting you till today. I don't know if
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Anna.
Mama.
What is it?
Hey. Mama, I'm training now.
Training?
Yes, sir.
Training for what?
Mama, must we repeat ourselves? Have we forgotten the agreement we had with my late father before he died? That I will become a soldier. I will join the military like my grandfather. So I'm just training and preparing myself.
Eh? No, but are you serious about this?
Mama, I'm very serious. So I've even purchased my recruitment form.
What?
I've gotten my recruitment form.
Eh?
Yes.
It's a lie. That will be over my dead body. What are you mad? What is wrong with you? Eh? How can you think of such thing? You, my only son, become a soldier. It's impossible. Mama. I won't allow it. Ini Edo.
Do you want to waste your life?
Eh? Are you mad?
I will never allow it to happen. Just forget about it. Never. Mbano. Are you out of your mind? Are you mad?
My husbands. I called you here to come and hear with your ears what your late brother's son, I mean only son, is saying.
You go. What did he say?
What is this?
He said he wants to be a soldier.
Eh?
Yes.
Onyami.
Onyami.
Well, my son, is that true?
My elders, with all due respect, I have been nursing this dream from day one, and I must actualize it. I want to become a military man in life. Simple.
Why?
Norbert, this venture you want to embark on is dangerous.
You are the only son of our late brother. We don't want to lose you. Onye woro funika. Ada ba Michael Jackson o.
Nya ka ọ na-achọ ịgba o.
Mba, na ịma agba anụ.
O dependere dị n'ike ihe agba Michael Jackson. Iri ka ọ ga-ịgbacha Michael Jackson gba ala nta nwere feneme. I want to become a military man in life. Life is all about choice. So what's the big deal?
It's a lie. I won't allow it happen. Not when you are my only son. What is your problem? If you had another brother, fine, I would have allowed you to go. But since it's only you, okay, mekwa.
Norbert. Listen, you are our only son. See, this is a dangerous mission you are going into. The military is not like police. It's not a child's play. This is a matter of life and death. Army, not police, oh. Not police.
Our boys cattle.
Oh.
My elders, like I said before, as you know, going to go quadron Cambodia. My mind is made. I want to become a military man, and that's final. Ono junko.
Bia. But come back here. Now you people should talk to him, oh. You people should talk to him. This is your late brother's only son, oh. You people should do something.
Don't worry. We will talk to him. Just calm down.
We'll pursue him.
We just have to.
He must not go.
No, he cannot go. He cannot go.
I can't lose him.
No, he cannot go.
Boy Scouts, man no war.
Nah. This keke belongs to you.
Keke belongs to me.
Yes. This is the key.
I don't understand.
I had to sell one of your father's empty plots of land to purchase this for you.
Mama, what's the meaning of this? You bought keke for me?
Yes.
Mama, you bought this for me. Is this how much you love me? Is this how much you love me? You bought keke for me. Do you know how many times keke people fight every day? No, do you know how many times they fight every day? You bought... Mama, you just... Hi. You should have... Oh, Mama. I need money to buy my military gadgets. I need money to buy my military gadgets. You are buying keke.
No, but... So you are still talking of this army of 18? Please, forget about that thing. Forget about it. Venture into something good. Start this keke business. By the time you do this business to up to 3 years, 4 years, you will see yourself become a very rich man. You can be able to build a house or even houses. Look at Nande's house. Chidebere, his own house. Oh, I'm not talking about Chima.
Mama, please excuse me. You go tell him keke can baba. Keke you go tell him can baba. Trailer dan go tell the American Express. Obo na keke. Mama, I hate insult. Mama, I hate insult.
Kedi you insult eba kita? No bad. Obo na me can keba go there. Which kind fighting keke? Keke people are not fighting. This is flimsy excuse. You must drive this keke, oh. No bad to be buru keke. I got my patana keke amount. What do you mean? I know how much I spent to buy this. You are talking about Dangote. Do you agree? You must drive this keke. What do you mean? I got ya.
Let me be. I came here to have peace. Follow me now. Why do you drive joy in repeating yourself?
come back here. We have not finished this discussion. Come back here.
Come on. Dikeh, I am talking. Yes. Come here. Stand here. What is it? What is it? Are you the only soldier in this community?
What have I done to warrant this unholy visit?
For your sake, we are here. You are the bone of contention. Yes.
Listen, Oga, I'm not your age grade, so we can't do ad-age competition. Straight to the point. I can be very dangerous when I'm angry.
Listen to me. What I am saying is that by tradition, you married my daughter. And so you have no right whatsoever to send her packing out of your house. Yes, you have no right.
I guess tradition also told her to lie about the pregnancy. Faked pregnancy.
Fake pregnancy or no pregnancy?
Do you know I'm supposed to kill this your daughter?
Kill who?
Do you know I'm supposed on a
No,
normal I'm supposed to kill her?
For what? For what? Kill her in one?
On a normal like regular shit, I'm supposed to kill this your daughter because the F9 will be here.
Kill her and you will be killed too. Kill her in one?
Papa, let's go. Papa, let's go.
No, listen. You, be careful. Be careful. If not that, you are so desperate.
You know, everyone says, see,
you cannot do anything. No, come on, keep quiet. I said, sit down.
Okay. You
cannot do anything. You can't do anything. Didn't I do frog jump when I was in the army? Huh? Listen to me. Come and stay here. You say, Papa, keep going to sit down there. Sit down here. Sit down. Let him come and do whatever he wants to do. Let him come. Go here. Come on. Keep right there. Go. No, come and do what you want to do. Rubbish. Rubbish. Fake soldier, that is what you are. Fake soldier. You cannot do anything. You cannot. Where are you running to? If I see you in that house again, I will kill you. No, come and do what you want to do. I am waiting for you. Okay. Rubbish.
I'm coming over.
I think we should attack him in his sleep. Yes. Nobody always locks his door at night. In fact, I think we should march up to him and tell him our minds. What if he brings out his gun and kill all of us? What are we going to do?
Then I suggest we should steal the gun and use it against him. The fear of being killed will stop him from tormenting us.
What if he strangles us in our sleep, knowing fully well that the gun is not with us? I am tired, honestly. I need to go back to my parents. He will kill us all.
You talk as if you don't know Norbert. Have you forgotten what he did to Obegini and the family? The news is still everywhere that Obegini had to leave this village for the fear of being killed. Don't forget that Norbert is evil.
My fellow wives, why are we going round and round, ending up in one spot? We need to make progress. Listen, for us to be able to conquer this Norbert, we need to conquer our fears first. Norbert is one man, but we are 4 in number. And we are taking over no matter what today.
Service to our nation. Where is the bloody civilian?
That is the fool! I told you! I'm a big boy!
At
tell you before now. Say, make mouth with me.
Aye!
Shut up!
Good.
Lie down.
Father!
Lie down. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here.
I don't die.
Come here. Come here.
Never die.
Move this way. Bloody civilian. Come here.
Okay, sir. Where were you when I somersaulted from 21-story building during peacekeeping in Congo? Where were you?
Sleeping.
Where were you when I killed 94 people in 3 minutes just to save children in Monrovia? Where were you?
He was drinking beer.
Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Bloody civilian. Where is the battery? Where is the battery?
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it. I saw it.
Where's the battery? You saw it.
I saw it. I've seen it. I've seen it. I've seen it.
Where is the battery?
I saw it.
Where is the battery?
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it.
Idiot.
I saw it. I saw it.
Idiot.
I saw it.
Idiot.
I saw it. I saw it.
No.
I've seen it. I've seen it. Okay. It's in the wires. I've seen it. I've seen it.
Oh, you have seen it.
Where is it?
Sir. In the wires. Parking stop.
Oh, parking stop.
Parking stop. Let's go to your parking stop. Let's go to your parking stop.
My battery. My battery parking stop.
I don't have parking stop.
You don't have parking stop?
Corner.
Where?
Okay, corner. It's there, sir.
Oh yeah, go and bring it. Go and bring it.
What is the meaning of this rubbish?
Did I hear you say, what is the meaning of this rubbish? Will you shut up? Okay, oh, you think you have a soldier. I have 2 soldiers, and I'm here to deal with you. Officers, deal with him. Deal with him.
Will you take your hand off me? I said, stupid.
Deal with him. I can deal with him.
Officer.
Yes.
Do you know who I am?
Who are you?
Do you know who I am?
Do you know
who I am?
Deal with him.
Hey! Officer! You will regret this! Officer, you will regret this! Officer, you will regret this! Police are Officer! Do you know who I am?
You are busting to an officer, right? I will deal with you.
My car! My car! My car!
Nonsense.
That guy was very, very stubborn. Seriously. I didn't take a beating up like that.
Come here. Come here, my friend.
Look at this same guy.
Austin, he who fights and run away lives to fight another day. Come here, bloody civilian.
Officer, you have the guns to snatch my car and those 2 fools over there.
Who? He's our brother, and we are from 82 Division. Please, kindly introduce yourself.
Huh? You Identify yourself.
Identify yourself.
Get him! Bring him back here! Do not lose him! Don't lose him! Bring him back here! Get him! Don't lose him! And you have the guts to bring in
Kill him!
soldier to
kill him!
Woo!
I'm sorry. Umunna, my kingsman.
What?
Umunna.
Accomplice.
No.
Are you news?
I see.
Umunna.
I see that you all have joined this big fool to impersonate and terrorize people from this community, right?
No.
Right?
No. We are his wives.
Yes.
His 4 wives.
His-
He's the one that forced us to wed
His wife.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All of us.
Are you serious?
He has been impersonating the ministry. And he's a fake soldier.
Hey.
And now your personal punishment. You will monitor him morning, afternoon, and night.
Yes,
sir. Report back to me.
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now listen for
Yes,
quiet.
sir.
Listen and listen real good. The next time we come here, we find you wearing these things. I will personally strip you all naked. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
We will remove it.
Well, now, I will remove mine immediately.
I will drop you so you can reach me.
Okay, sir.
I heard that he has been maltreating the villagers, including his wives.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Let me not say these things.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hey! Not done. I'm trying to get this whole thing right. So you have been maltreating us all this while, and you've been a fake soldier. Hey! Just shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up!
I was in military school, but I was expelled. So I continue. I'm sorry.
Hey! But Ili mgogo mo no bi adro mo ebe no. No but Ili ga mo na kwa Oh, what that?
It's better he even marches to this place. March to this place.
Your own don't finish. I can tell you. Hey, bench time. Oh yeah, press up.
I hope you heard what he said. He said if you do not do anything we ask you to do, we'll tell you. So it's better for you now to start doing it. Lie down.
Press up.
Yeah.
One. Next, climb. Carry me.
Jesus is
One.
Lord.
Soldiers.
Jesus is Lord.
Don't see me after me.
Jesus is Lord.
He is a great soldier. Commander of Ezoku Kobasi. Opura soldier, no be onyame cha. Opura soldier, no be onyame cha. No opura soldier, no be onyame soldier, no be onyame cha-cha, opera soldier, no be onyame cha-cha. We see uniform, we see his gun, he give us order, you sure say no be onyame cha, opera soldier, no be onyame cha-cha, 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 opera soldier, no be onyame cha-cha.
Anything now. Eh? Keep on it, keep on it. Don't like stress. You are stressing me. Wait. What is all this? Robert, what is this? What is this, Robert? Robert, what is this? Get up! Get up! Up before I put you now. You will not, I will give you horn. Horn! If this thing falls down, what I will do to you today? You this number. Oh yeah. To the kitchen. Move. They stay there. This way. Go and bring the soup. I've been cooking since morning. Can't even do anything. Can't even do anything. Useless human being. Showing that your thing is not even working. You are blaming all the wives. It's not what you put to the woman, the woman will give to you. Hey. Come this way. I hate this kind of thing. I hate this kind of thing. Nobody stand up this way. In fact, try and see if you can carry this man again. Fast. On your head. Put it on top of the apple. Down. I said down. Down! Nobody! If I get that way before you kill you. Are you still there?
Why is this nobody? It's wasting our time. Eh? Here he comes.
He is a great soldier.
Come back here. Wait, don't disturb us. Come back here. Come here. Open it. Let me see what you need. Keep holding the cover. Go below them and hold the cover.
Step aside. Don't come close. You're smelling.
My fellow wives. The food is ready. Come back here! Where are you going to?
I want to go.
Hi. Will you shut up? Will you shut up? If I slap you, if I slap your left eye, it will affect your arm. What is wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
I said go and stand there. Face us. Stand at ease, even more than that. Stand at ease. In fact, I'm not eating it. Attention. You keep standing there.
You say you can't eat again and you are... What's your problem?
Until we are done eating. Do you hear me?
Bro,
Oh, face that side. I'm smelling. Face that side.
Salute. Where we eat. Salute.
Good.
Attention!
Hey, come here. I said come here. Where are you going?
I want to go and fetch water. I wanted to come and take permission from you, but you were still sleeping, so I decided to go first.
That water can wait. My back aches and I need massage. I said that water can wait. Are you deaf? My friend, come, let's go inside.
Why did you leave my room last night? And allowed mosquitoes finish me up? Eh? You were supposed to be fanning me and telling me stories. All of a sudden, nobody. I did not see you again.
I'm sorry. Something came up.
I know, but I said let's go inside. My friend, get up.
Get up.
I said let's go inside.
Hey, you know I did not get a good sleep. So let's go back to my room. Now! Stand up!
Can you remember? I thought we had an agreement. Can you remember?
What agreement?
That nobody here is my property. Or did we share days of ownership among ourselves again?
I don't want everybody. You people are shouting. Have you heard me? I wasn't even there when you had any stupid agreement, so give me my space. Thank you. No, but we had an agreement last night that we are going to have 4 rounds. I mean, okay. Now, and we had just 2 rounds. And because I slept off with your hunchback, you did not complete the remaining 2 rounds. Eh? We are going to have it now. Let's go. Get up, let's go.
I'm not using battery. I will die here.
You started this. You started all this shit. I thought we had an agreement. What agreement? Will you shut up? That nobody didn't complete his duty on me. You're talking about agreement. What rubbish? You are the cause of all this. You are the cause of all this because it's my turn today. And none of you, none of you will take my turn. You see today, none of you. Not even you. Not even you. And not even you.
Let me tell you, this your turn by turn business will stop in this house. Yes. After all of us here need no buts.
Okay. Hey. Oh, Chalupa no. So it's now my turn, okay? None of you is interested in continuing, okay? It's a lie. You people have failed. Because nobody will take my position in this company.
As for Nobot, it's obvious you people are not giving it to him the way he wants it. And because I do it very well, I'm sure that's why he sticks with me.
Ned, you're very stupid. Ned, you call me a mad. You are mad. I'm mad. Yes, I'm mad. What is going on here? Will you stop this nonsense? So you people have succeeded in turning yourselves to mad dogs. I mean mad dogs. Unana yala. Eh? What is all this? By the way, where is Nobat?
Mama, he went to fetch water for us and firewood. Eh? Is this Akun now? She's stupid. She's mad. She doesn't have respect, Mama.
Mama, quite unfair. Namwa, wada could be stupid. Shut up there. Stop that distance. You people should stop. Hey, look at how people are embarrassing yourselves. Are you not ashamed?
Are you not ashamed?
Are you not ashamed?
Are you not ashamed?
Are you not ashamed about what you want to in Ayabang? You know the moon. Who are not ashamed?
Hey.
Nobat, where are you going? Didn't you see me? Huh? Honey, from
Mama, I know you are here to mock me because I claimed what I'm not. Fine, but please, I'm not in the mood.
What are you talking about? Oh, you think I am happy hearing that you are not what you claimed to be? Eh? Wait, don't you know that the disgrace you brought on me is huge and you owe me an apology?
Mama, I know I claimed what I'm not. Fine. Must you add salt to my injury? I know you are here to mock me. You are here to laugh at me. No problem. I'm not in the mood. Just go home and mock me from there. Please, leave me alone.
Nah, I am concerned. Eh? I'm your mother. You are my only son. Eh? Please, what happened to you? Talk to me.
Leave me alone, Mama. As if you care. Why are you asking when you can't even help?
I am willing to help you, Nobat. Just talk to me, Nnam. Please. I was just coming from your house where I met your wives fighting each other like mad dogs. Does that mean that there's no more decorum and sanity in your house again?
Mama, I don't understand you. Why are you asking me? You're coming from my house. Why didn't you ask them? Why didn't you ask those mad dogs? Those people just turned me into their houseboy. They beat me every now and then. They forced me to have sex with them at will. I can't even say a word. Mama, please, what I'm experiencing in that house, I don't even know how to say it. Please leave me alone.
He is a great soldier. Commander.
I know I asked you people to join hands together in revolt against my son. But I can't remember telling you to kill him for me. He complained to me bitterly on how you people treat him since you discovered that he was a fake soldier.
Oh, Mama, he complained to you. He had the guts to complain to you. Oh yes, we will deal with him. Mama, we will.
Shut your mouth up. You think I will take it lightly with any of you if you kill my son for me? Oh, what I say?
Mama. Eh? So when he was punishing us, you did not know that he may likely kill any of us. Did you?
You are the one that asked us to deal with him because of the way he has been maltreating us. Now you are siding him. Which one will you follow? When he was beating us, Mama, where were you? I don't know about you follow. In fact, Mama, because of this thing just said now, I will beat him today.
Then you have to leave. You have to leave.
He is a great soldier.
What are you doing here? I am not feeling fat. In fact, go and wash all these clothes. Make sure you wash them properly. And after that, make sure you sweep the entire compound. Do you understand? And after that, you cook. Go and wash all those clothes. Nonsense. They are calling you Commander Boo. That was then. Are you hungry or what?
You don't froze you at home. Oh, you know, I don't know Zonano. I was seeing a new dana. No biggie kaino, no biggie kaino, no biggie kaino, no biggie kaino.
Nai, you have to help me. My son is in trouble.
Which son? That fake?
Please, leave that one aside. His life is in danger. His wives are about killing him.
Then let them be. After all, he lied to them and everyone else.
I can't let him be. He's my only son, you know. Eh? Please show mercy. I'm begging you.
Then what do you want me to do?
Please, a reverse. Reverse everything you did. That's what I want. Because I don't know how much longer he could bear the pains his wives are giving him. Please, I'm begging you. Reverse everything.
There's nothing like reversal. Huh? I didn't tell you this earlier than now. Remember.
No, please. Please. I will lose my son. I will lose my son.
This way. Come on, move it. Move. Oh, yeah. Take me for what? Hey! What happened? He was running away.
Don't call the time.
He was running away. I caught him dressed up like this with this bag. Ask him where he was going to. He was running away.
No, I can't run away from my shadow now. I wanted to see my tailor. Yes, tailor.
Eh?
I need to amend my clothes. I lost weight.
You lost weight?
I lost weight.
And you were going to see the tailor with a bag. Since when did you start carrying bags to go and sit down?
With a bag like this.
Oh, my bull in the bag. Aya. So, you were actually running away from this house.
I can't run away from my shadow, please.
Move.
No.
Get up.
No.
Let him fall like
No,
a tree.
leave.
Let him fall like a tree.
Commander Boo, 24, Ati.
Fall like a tree!
Ati.
Get up again. You are going to fall again. Fall again. Oh yeah, Ati. He has forgotten Ati.
Fall like a tree. Commander,
fall like a tree.
Somebody help. Papa! My water just burst. Oh! Papa! Oh my God! Papa, please come.
I'll give him. What is it?
I think I'm in labor.
Hey. Okay. Let me go and get your bag. I'll take you to the hospital now.
Hurry up.
Just gently.
Papa, hurry up.
Nkoba, not bad. I am here with my daughter to present your baby.
Eh? Mazi Osakwe, what did you just say?
Yes, Mama. Nobody here is the father of my son.
Say something.
Papa, you see,
I said this earlier, that we should not keep it away from him. Now see what you have caused.
Norbert, the last time I came to discuss with you, man to man, on this issue, you refused to listen to me. You decided to punish me under the heavy rain there for 3 hours. You see, that's why I came that day to discuss with you so that this will not happen. Anyway, here is your baby. You can decide to go how far you want to go to find out if it is your son or not. I'm out of here.
To God be the glory. But we must do BVN test.
Sorry, DNA test.
We must do
DNA
test. Mama, will you shut up?
Mwa, shut up. Eh?
How did you do it?
Do what?
Anyway, I came to thank you for my son, because he now has the son of his own.
I had nothing to do with it.
Are you serious? Then who did?
Who? Anu ukpom n'elu wee nu bi n'ala. Nwa bere n'osi ebe, osi n'igwe ka osi n'ikuku. The spell was annulled by the gods because your son's hands are clean, but your ways is unjust.
In a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is, I'm sorry. Please, I'm so sorry. It wasn't intentional. The biggest mistake I made was marrying 6 wives. At that point, I was frustrated, I was confused, my life was just messed up. Please, I'm so sorry. I'm asking for forgiveness. That's why I came with my kingsman and my mom, to show you how serious I am, please. And the DNA test also proved that the baby is mine. So please, forgive us.
Nai, please, forgive my son. Forgive us.
Biko.
Mazi Osakwe, please, forgive us. He has not come alone. As you can see, we have come here with him. I know deep down in you have a place there in your heart from where you can forgive him. Please, for our sake, forgive him.
Biko Mazi, don't let us scratch our back sore into history. Let's forget it. The fact remains that our son is the father of your daughter's son. Biko, Biko.
Papa, my kinsman, I'm sorry to say this, But my son here is not the reason for me to want nobody. I have always loved him. I have always wanted him to be my husband, but he never gave me the chance.
Love? Are you talking about love? After what this boy did to me, punished me for 3 hours in the rain, flogged me, dead with me, and you are all here begging me to forgive him. If you have known what this boy did to me, you will not be here begging me to forgive him.
It belongs to the past.
Anyway, I am not God, but the law of Kama must take its course. Before I listen to any of your pleas, you should go down there and kneel down and face the sun. First of all, before I can listen to those pleas. No, don't beg. No, it's okay.
You may say
no, but
really?
Eh?
Hey. I hope we are safe.
Mangoli, shut up. We've decided to leave this compound instead of staying here with a wretch and die of hunger.
Oh yes. And as we are leaving, we are watching you. And if you try to do anything in this village, we will not hesitate to call those soldiers that dealt with you. Am I understood?
Perfectly well.
And as for you, your mind now, you don't bomb. Your mind now, you have arrived. Who are we even fighting for?
I mean, who is nobody? Nobody. Who is nobody that we're fighting for? Eh? Take him. And that's you. Look at you. When you came into this house, to think I was even envying you. You're looking so beautiful. But look at you now. You can't even take care of your natural hair. See, you're black. Woo! Gone. Go back to your father's house. And to think... It's even akamu.
Akamu! It's not good food that is in grass. Right food is but it's grass. For your mind now, you carry on about the you better go back to your father's house. So he will feed you very well and this your black will be beautiful. Have you heard me?
I pity you. Ooh! Onye wayo. You will die a wretch. I can't stop regretting ever accepting you. You as my husband. As a husband.
To fear! I couldn't have. Let's go.
Before I leave, you see, I'm leaving with this. The things I brought. Thank God you didn't finish paying my bride price, so it's easy for me to go. The remaining things that you bought for me, they're inside. Share it to them.
So it's easy for me to dump it. You can even some of my pants. You can give it to your new wives.
My husband, you should call them back.
Call which people back? God just delivered me from Obala and I call them back. Listen, we will do Thanksgiving.
It's about my son, nobody.
He said he wants to become a soldier.
A soldier?
Yes.
What's your worry about that?
Everything, Nine. I mean everything. He is my only son. I don't want to lose him. Please, help me change his mind.
Is that all you ask?
That's all. Oguchakwa.
Oh, Arusi sinenu da. Ngi na afu n'ife, na afu na nzuzo. Oge agbanwe obi. Gbanwe. Your son's mind is made up. Too difficult to change his mind.
Wait, Nai. Are you saying there's nothing you can do about it?
Absolutely nothing.
I have to tell him the truth he deserves to know. I don't have to hold it anymore. What do I have to tell him? How is he going to react after hearing the truth? Oh my goodness. Gods of my ancestors, please help me. Please, I called this meeting to apologize to my son.
Apologize to me.
Ma, please forgive me. Oh, no. Please.
Mama, I don't understand.
I have a confession to make.
Confession quoi?
Let us hear it.
Mama, I called this meeting to inform you that I have finally decided to get married.
Eh?
Live on direct.
Hey! What did you just say? You have decided to get married. Chukwu abịama ime. Chukwu abịama ime kwa. Eh? Hey, now tell me, who is this lucky girl?
No, I don't know yet, but obviously, you know, we have more girls than boys, like 70% girls and 30% boys. So obviously, you have more girls around.
It's true.
That will pick one.
It's true. It is not like that. Not all girls are marriageable type. Yeah, when you talk of marriage, you have to be careful in selecting.
Well, you can't find any girl with the right of wife material in her forehead now. So I'm picking. We'll pick.
Don't worry, we get it, but you have to be careful.
The most important thing is just I need a woman that can give me a male child. You know? So once I get a woman that will give me a soldier boy, that's it.
What did you say?
Soldier boy now.
Soldier?
That's the whole idea.
Is he soldier? No bad.
Ma?
Is your degema? Are you out of your mind? Wait, are you telling me that you want to send your son to become a soldier? Is it because you went to training and came back alive? Do you know how many nights I wept for your safe return? Now, don't tell me.
Mama, why are you sounding like as if soldier is not a bad thing? I didn't say I'm robber, I said a soldier, military boy. Mama, soldier is good now.
No bad.
Ma?
It will not happen, no. Don't even think of it. Don't even think of it. If this is your plan to get married, you have to wait for now. I must tell you the truth. I've never recovered from the shock you gave to me for the one you went. Now you are planning to send your own son to be a soldier. No way, bear.
Na Bodaya. Naginime, what do you mean? Eh? If I just allow you, you send your son to become an army. I have not come back from the shock you gave to me by the one you went. Now you want to send your own son. Mbana.
What do you want, woman?
Wise one. My son has succeeded in becoming a soldier. But there's still a problem. Serious one. He said he wants a male child that will succeed him as a soldier. There's a soldier. Or if I'm please, I want you to stop him.
It is not in the hand of Fozor to decide the gender of their son's child. It is in the hand of Osebluwa.
Are you saying there's nothing you can do?
There's only one thing, is to stop him from procreating.
Procreating? Hey, Bakwa, this is too hard.
Make your decision now.
It's okay. Do it for me. Stop him.
Hey! 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 You make all this money. Hey! Oh, why? Why? This is wicked. This is callous. How could you have gone to such an extent just to make sure that your son does not become a soldier? Eh?
Now, please forgive me. I am even responsible for your dismissal from the army.
Hey! Why?
Sorry.
One man. Anyway, my son, I know it's hard on you as a man. Mana, what makes a man is the ability to forgive. She's your mother. Please forgive her. Biko, forgive her.
Uncle, leave me alone. Uncle, I can be very dangerous when I'm angry. So you have nothing to say. Just shut up, Biko. Shut up, Uncle. Shut up.
Biko.
Can I ever forgive you? Can I ever forgive you?
Listen, don't worry, I'll soon be back, okay? Always be a good boy, okay? Be prayerful and stay out of trouble, okay? Daddy loves you so much, huh? Make sure you always take good care of him.
No problem, my husband.
I will miss you both.
We miss you more. Believe me, I am the happiest person today, seeing you live your dream. And I pray, as you go to the army, you succeed to the highest level.
Thank you very much. Please take good care of Junior, okay? Mama. Ma.
Mama.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Mama. Eh? Yama mebe. Namo. Hey, Nam.
Ma.
It shall be well with you.
Amen.
You will succeed this time. I can't wait to be called Mama Soja. Mama Soja. Oga, bottle.
Amen.
God will see you through. Oh, let me see you off. I will follow you even to AK Market. I will see you off.
Mama, let's go.
I will be the one to carry the
Thank you very much.
Kaije. I will
take care.
Take care. Hey,
take care.
I'm coming. Mom, God will see you through. Huh?
Be a good boy, okay?
Hey, the phone of my
Odogu jelani, keko siga, odogu anatago, kebutu ya. He is a great soldier, Obali Kenami, Opupa commander, Obezo Kukobasi, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha cha. Idipasho, no Opura soldier cha cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha cha. Suffer where you suffer also, they come back away wire also, plus the frog jump, you sure say Nobi onyame cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha cha. We see uniform, we see his gun, he give us order, you sure say Nobi onyame cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame cha 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 cha, Opura soldier cha, Nobi onyame.